can actually do immediately if you are a business owner to help elevate your brand. So these things anyone can do as a business owner to elevate their business. A lot of people are always asking questions about things that they can do in their business to actually make their brand stand out or make their brand better or just something to do that gives them that high level business that they want. Because a lot of the times when you see different businesses like Apple, Microsoft, and these businesses that are very well known, you look at these businesses and immediately you know when you see Apple, or you know when you see Microsoft, or you know when you see a business that's well known everywhere, such as Amazon. So these businesses have a brand, and if you are a business owner, your brand should stand out as well. So your brand should not just be you putting out information or just sharing information with no backstory or with no images that reflect exactly what you want your customers and clients to know in business. So these are going to be three things that you can do right now in your business so that you can upgrade, okay? Because you want to upgrade in your business and you want to go to the next level. So you want to upgrade from just branding to building a brand that your clients understand. So your clients see your brand and they know what this brand is known for. So high end brands don't just look good, they also operate beautifully. So you have to move beyond logos and colors and build a brand ecosystem. So basically, a lot of people stick to colors. These are the colors of my brand. But you got to do more as a business owner and say, okay, these are the colors of my brand, but what do I want my clients to experience? What do I want my clients to feel when they see me? So your brand is going to communicate with your clients. So you have to not just think of colors. And if you're just coming in, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, thumbs up. Thank you so much for that. So you have to have a signature visual language, meaning your lighting style, poses that you do, letters and typography, the lettering that you use, the fonts that you use. These are all going to translate into what your clients see for your business. So you have to use them effectively. So this is on your website. You have a website. Your website, your social media content, when you are doing your client intake or client onboarding, when you are doing proposals and contracts, this must make sense to your customer. So this must make sense to your client that they are seeing the brand and experiencing you as a brand, even when it comes to these things: emails, automations, like I said, your proposals and contracts, onboarding, your website, when you do social media content. Your clients want to see this and feel this way, right? So another thing, the second thing you can do, like I said, I'm going to give you three things tonight in this live video. The next thing that you can do is to replace some of your marketing content with authority assets. So posting every day good quality content, right? So create fewer but heavier assets that position you and put you in place. So instead of doing 1,000 reels, you want to create a nice handful of skilled reels, right? You want reels that make sense, reels that look good, but you want quality reels. You want quality over the quantity. So you want a flagship thought, leadership piece, okay? Some framework, something that you have done, a report that shows what your business is about and what your business can do, okay? So let's say you have a business, whatever topic that you have in business, you might want to create a podcast. You might want to create a video series. You might want to create a specific content on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook that shares that content with your clients so they can see things in sequence, they can see what comes next. So, you're giving them some order to what they will look forward to in your business, right? So, business owners are going to look better for doing this, and then it's also going to give you more clients and have your clients interacting with you different. So, it's going to make your clients see you as an authority instead of just as another type of this business or just another type of this business. So you want to design a client ascension path. What does that mean? Not just offers, okay? So you're not just selling services. You're a business. You're conducting business and you want your clients to grow in whatever they do with you. Even if you had a product, you want them to advance to the next product or service. So structure the business so your clients can level up with you. Okay, they can level up with you. So if they need business credit, they need tax strategy. If you have a hair business, they need growth oil. They need to understand the hair process. They need to understand different types of hair. They need to understand the order that they must go into to see the progress. So you want my clients, they want to see tax efficiency and optimization. So I'm going to share with them how that's going to help them. I'm going to tell them how business credit is going to help them with capital. I'm going to tell them how they can save money by using certain strategies and having the correct entity in other ways. So that's what my clients want. What do your clients want? Make sure you go to the next level with them. Show them where the next level is so that you can point them in a direction. They're going to always look at you for attention. They're going to always look at you for the next step. So basically, you're communicating, excuse me, with your clients no matter what you do. Even when you're not actually communicating with them, you're communicating with them because they remember what you told them and they know that they need to come back to you so that they can get to the next level. So that's what they're going to do. So your clients are going to stay with you just for the simple fact that they know that you will guide them in the right way and it makes sense for them to actually take the next step and do what they should do so they don't damage whatever else it is that they've done or stay stuck where they are. So basically, if you want, you can let me know what your industry is, who you sell to, and what your current price range is. And we can do a one on one, and I can share with you more information about your client and your client needs and how I can help you to get to the next level with your clients because this is what happens when you communicate with your clients the right way and when you structure the communication and your branding in a way that they feel comfortable and they feel like they've had the experience that they actually want to have. So I have just done and started a masterclass series, a short mini masterclass series. I believe there are 5 videos. The first one just dropped today. They're going to be uploaded shortly. Make sure you go and watch that video. If you're a business owner, you don't want to miss it. These are clear steps and strategies for your business so that your business can grow in 2026. Hello to everyone that I see in the chat. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think and let me know what business you have. Let me know where you are watching from, and I will see you in the next video.